remember people looking down at me and feeling very ashamed that I was in that situation. You know, this was my life. And my mother always told all of my siblings, if you want something better, then you need to go to school. You need an education. And she used to talk about, you know, dream of the time, dream of the day that you're going to go to college. Let that drive you. And those are the dreams that kept me going during the day when I was working, when I was so tired, when I was so frustrated and angry and mosquitoes are flying around, biting you, you're hot, and that's what drove me.
Many Latinos have found a voice in the legal profession. Some have been motivated by the American ideal.
What holds us together in this country as Americans is our belief in the Constitution, our belief in individual freedom, our belief that there are those ideals that can hold a group as diverse as we are together. And we don't depend on one language or one ethnicity or one religion, as so many countries do. We depend on our mutual belief and respect for one another that has as its foundation the Constitution and the rule of law.
Other Latinos see law as the route to self-discovery, economic security, or social change.
I went to law school because I wanted to do community organizing. And I was working as a newspaper reporter at the time, and I was getting frustrated with not being able to be more involved in the things that I was covering.
And even though the number of Latino lawyers has increased in the past few decades, only 3% of attorneys in the U.S. are Latino.
We need Latino and Latina lawyers in every field. I happen to be a public interest lawyer, and I chose that profession. That's my hat and my walk in life. But we need people in the corporate legal departments. When somebody there needs the advice and counsel of somebody who's sensitive to our issues, you're there because you are good and you can do that job. You just happen to bring the extra sensitivity of being a Puerto Rican or being a Mexican American or being a Colombian. We need jurists on the Supreme Court of the United States of America.
Some Latinos must fight against the odds to make their dream of practicing law come true. Here are some of their stories.